Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So these new V-neck dresses from Time and True. They have the thicker strap, this elastic under the bust, nice and flowy, maxi length. The same fit through the back with the elastic going all the way around. Comes in the green stripe, also in the navy. That's what the material looks like up close, and they're $17.98. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, fit and flare. It's a seersucker with the smocking, all the embroidered lemons, and they are $34. New lemon tees from Free Assembly. These have the crew neckline. It's a boxy fit through the front and back, and they're $8. So new seersucker blazer from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, completely lined on the inside, relaxed through the wrists, and then the same fit through the back. They are going to be $38. So new slim fit cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that scoop neckline, full functioning buttons, ribbed wrists with that same fit through the back in the navy. Also comes in that new pink. There's a lime and an ivory, and they're $18. New dresses from Free Assembly. So this one is a zip front, has the dolman sleeve, drawstring in the waist, flowy through the front and back, and these are $34. Has a little slit. Also new longer length dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, the little ruching cut out, tiers, flowy, and then the smock through the back, and they're $34. New print in the flutter sleeve tier dresses from Time and True. So these have the plunging V, the flutter sleeve tiers all the way down in this new black and beige stripe. Also a black floral. We saw it in the green and beige, and then also that pink. And they are going to be $16.98. Also new color in this tank dress from Time and True. So this has that higher neckline, sleeveless, long length, the same kind of fit through the back. Now in the white and black stripe. Also comes in that green, black, and pink, and they're $13.98. Also new button sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has the plunging V, functioning buttons with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back, and they're $16. Also new sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, sleeveless, ribbed bottom in the white. Also comes in lime, pink, navy, and white stripe, and they're $14. New top from Sofia Vergara. This one has the ribbing. You can wear it on or off the shoulder. Oversized balloon sleeve with the drawstring, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $22. New scuba shorts from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, flowy, the side pocket in the black. Also comes in the gray, and they're $16. Also new cropped scuba tees from Scoop. These have that crew neckline, the drop sleeve, boxy fit through the front and the back in the gray. Also comes in black, and they are $16. And then this new vest from Scoop. I showed this one in my last haul. It has the thicker strap, square neckline, functioning buttons with the seam in the back, and they are going to be $28. New top and short set from No Boundaries. So this one has that smaller collar, drop sleeve, shorter boxy fit. Comes with the matching shorts. These have an elastic waistband, the pork chop pockets, nice and flowy. This is the extra small. They look true to size. They look like they are small. Also comes in the solid black, and they are $19.98 for the two pieces. New peplum top from Time and True. So this has a plunging V. It has the pearled buttons, flutter sleeve with the peplum elastic through the waist in the navy. Also comes in the white, and they are going to be $16.98. New dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these have that halter neckline with the braided strap, sleeveless, pleated, flowy, with the keyhole in the back. Comes in this black floral, also in the green Aztec print, and they're $30. Also new from Sofia Vergara are these longer dresses. So they have a thin adjustable strap, that knotted detail fit with the drop tier, and then the smocking in the back in the beige and green. Also comes in that black and beige, and they are $26. sneak peek tee from Time and True. This one is 100% cotton, has that high neckline, the dolman sleeve, this little twist detail. In the black, also comes in green. They have white online, they're $9.98. Also new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, the little twist fit, and then the drop tier with the smocking in the back. And these are $26. New fit and flare dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thicker strap, squared neckline, seam detail flows out, and then it's seam fit through the back. Comes in this floral print, they're $36. New sweat shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, French terry, raw hem, seam fit through the back in the green. Also comes in yellow, there's in coral, and they are $6.98. Also new pull-on red shorts. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring. It's like a linen flowy texture. They're also $6.98. And also new short alls from No Boundaries. These have the adjustable straps, square neckline, the pocket with the side pockets, pockets on the back in the red with the raw hem, also in that mid-tone, and they're $16.98. New paisley denim skirt from No Boundaries. So this one has the button zip, the raw hem, the same kind of fit through the back. These are $11.98. New dresses from Scoop. These have the thicker strap, scoop neckline. It's a pony top and then the oversized balloon skirt in the black, and they are going to be $34. Also new lace trim dresses from Scoop. So this has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve seam with that same lace trim, and then the same fit through the back. New colors in the parachute pants from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pockets, a windbreaker material with those flat pockets. You also have the ties at the ankle, so you could do a jogger style, and then the same fit through the back with the one pocket. Now in the pink, also the white, there's black, we saw the lime, and they're $13.98. New fold over skirts from No Boundaries. These are so soft and stretchy. They have that fold over. They are on the shorter end, and they do have built-in shorts in the gray, also in the black, and these are $7.98. New colors in the zip hoodie from No Boundaries. So inside these are a French terry, it's a cropped fit, ribbed wrist, has the drop sleeve. Now in the solid blue, we also saw it in the ivory with the hibiscus. There's also solid gray, and then black with the angels, and I'm pretty sure these are all stocked online for $13.98. Also new colors in the Athletic Works Bermuda shorts. These are pull-on, super soft material. That's what it looks like on the inside with the side pocket. Also has the drawstring, the little slit in the purple, green, gray, that new blue color. There's navy and black, and they're $7.98. Also new fit and flare dress from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, a pony knit, has that scoop neckline, seam detail at the waist, flowy, and then squared in the back, and these are going to be $28. Also new from Time and True is this halter neck dress. So this one has the tie around the neck, seam detail, dropped here, that same kind of fit through the back. It has this really pretty crisscross detail, and they're $20. Also new eyelet dress from Time and True. So this one has that squared neckline, oversized puff sleeve, seam detail under the bust, has that scallop trim with the little twist in the back, and these are going to be $20. Also the new denim vest set from Scoop. So this has that high neckline, full buttons, faux pockets, has the matching little wrap skirt. I think this was online only, so it'll be linked down below. Hopefully they still have some sizes left. New shorts from No Boundaries. So these have that oversized smocked waistband, this little tie detail. They're flowy. You might want to size up at least one or two because they are pretty short. But how cute is that blue paisley? They also have this stripe. There's a red and pink, and they're going to be $7.98. New shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, toggle, flowy material with pockets. In the yellow and white stripe, there's the green and white, blue and white, and red, and they're $7.98. Also new windbreaker style shorts from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, flowy, the pork chop pockets with the little toggle in the green, also comes in black. and they are going to be $8.98. Crew neck boxy tees from No Boundaries. These have that high neckline, shorter fit through the front and the back in the green, also in black, and they are $5. Sneak peek skirts from No Boundaries. So these are pull-on, flowy with the tiers, comes in the white, also in this paisley print, and they're $9.98. New square neck tees from No Boundaries. So these have the ruching squared neckline cap sleeve in the white, also comes in gray, blue, and black, and they are $8.98. New color in the lace tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, adjustable, squared in the blue, also comes in the ivory, and they're $8.98. And then they also have these new V-neck tees from No Boundaries. These have that plunging V, cap sleeve, shorter through the front and the back, in the white, coral, teal, pink, black, blue, and they're $5. Sneak peek tops and short, and they also have pants from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, this little tie detail. It is in the pajama section. In the purple, they also have the black, and these are $9.98. Shorts are pull-on with that same lace trim in that lavender, also in the black, and they are $9.98. And they also have the pants. So these have an elastic waistband with that lace trim, flowy through the front and the back, in the black, also in that purpley pink, and those are $14.98. And then these are also so good from Time and True. Pull on, they have the new capris, so it's what they look like on. Capris are on trend. I'm seeing so many cute outfits. They're not my best look because I do have a shorter leg and bigger calves, but I love all the looks with these. So these have that pull-on, faux pockets on the front, really nice little pockets on the back, super stretchy, in the white, the black, and there's this beige color, the mocha, a true denim, and the olive, and they're $14.98. New seamless, also new active bras from Athletic Works, or no, they're Avia, and then they also have the matching pants now. So these have that scoop neckline, the band, removable pads, a little cutout back with a hook and eye closure in the blue, black, and white, and those are $13.98. And then they also have, to match the blue and black, the same kind of shiny leggings. These remind me so much of Aloe. So they're high rise, fitted through the leg. It says $15.98 in the blue, purple, and the black. They also have capri and crop option. The crop is a 25-inch inseam, and then capri is 21. Also new color in the crochet kimono from Time and True. So this one's open front. It's a really nice layering piece. Now they have this beige with the gold shimmer running through it. I'm pretty sure they're $19.98. We saw the white and black before. New Aria pajamas. So these have the scoop neckline, Henley buttons, flutter sleeve, midi length, that same fit through the back in this white and blue. Also comes in the pink. There's a navy floral and that blue, and they're $14.98. And then they also have this tank style from Aria. These have the thicker strap, squared neckline, the little pleated detailing, Henley buttons, midi length in the floral, also comes in purple and white. There's the pink dot, and then that white and blue, and they're $14.98. All these cute new licensed socks. They have Scooby-Doo, Peanuts, Harry Potter, Care Bears, Powerpuff Girls, Nightmare Before Christmas Stitch, and then they also have a crew option in all of those. Harry Potter, they're all $9.97 for 10 pairs. Strawberry shortcake, SpongeBob, princesses. New colors in the Skims dupe bodysuits from No Boundaries. So now they have the light blue, they have that thong style back, also comes in nude, red, and black, and they're $16.98. New seamless tanks from No Boundaries. So these are like cami bralette kind of things. They have the thin strap, cropped, squared in the back, in the white, pink. There's brown and black. Those are $6.98. And then they also have this bandeau style. There's that double lining. There's not a whole lot of support. That's what it looks like on it. It says 4-way stretch in the blue, yellow, rust, and pink, and those are also $6.98. New one piece from No Boundaries. This has the thicker strap that scooped the little cutout in the back with the hook and eye closure. And this is what it looks like. It says cheeky high leg, and they are $18.98. New cover-up dress from No Boundaries. This one has a thin strap that scooped neckline, tears all the way down, ties in the back, and it's $19.98. And also new one piece from No Boundaries. This has the thin strap that scooped neckline. It's textured, ribbed with the adjustable straps and the tie, and the yellow also comes in pink, and they're $19.98. New one piece with the zip, like long sleeve. Has the scuba, also has the underwire with the removable pads. That's what the back looks like. This one is going to be $19.98. It says cheeky high leg. New contrast swimsuit from No Boundaries. This one has a thicker strap. Looks like it's high and pretty small in the back with the scoop and the built-in shelf bra. The same texture also comes in solid black, and then that Cajun shrimp red. It says cheeky high leg, and they're only $15.98. So many cute new summer accessories. I love the little pearl claw clip. There's a raffia knotted headband, the 3 gold clips, these 2 clips, and then another headband. They're all $6.97. Also some really good belts from Time and True. So this one looks like, I think there's a Madeball belt that's very similar. Has the gold with the black, and it has this pebbled leather look. They also have a smaller silver with a more smooth black. Some of these are genuine leather. What does this one say? No, it's not leather, but it really does feel like it. They also have the embroidered gold ring. Has been around for a while. They have a new color in this belt, the rectangle. So now this new pink, we've saw this beige color. They're 10, there's 10, some of them are 8. Also new bags from Time and True. So these have that top handle, little drawstring, has the crossbody strap as well. And this canvas with the beige, there's the raffia with the cognac. Those are $24.97. The Hermes look for less with the little top handle and the beige. Also the cognac, and those are $24.97. I love these little shoulder bags. Now they have the raffia. I did so many outfit ideas with the faux leather ones. And then they also have this new camera bag. How pretty is that strap? That's $18.97. And then a new flat bag in the raffia, also in the black, and those are $19.97. New Madden double band sandals. So these have the round toe, that double buckle in this brown color. They'll be linked down below. Also new water shoes for men, women, and kids. These have the round toe, the rubber bottom, slip on with the neoprene. In this new pink, they also have a purple, teal, and black, and then also navy. And it looks like the women $7.98, kids $6.98, and men's are $7.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.